Alrighty, y'all. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making margaritas. Um, I just love margaritas. I drink them all the time. It's just refreshing. I like citrusy, acidic drinks. So this is why I'm doing a how to make a margarita. The margaritas are mad easy. I don't know how people can be making like messing up margaritas. Like they're really, it's not a lot. Like you see how much, and this is extra, baby. The triple sec extra. Like usually don't put triple sec in margarita, but we're gonna do it today. So let's get started. So you're gonna want a shaker, alrighty. And this is like an old shaker. It's just regular any shaker, like doesn't matter. And then you're gonna need lime juice. I have limes right here. We're gonna juice some, but I need something to top it off because I wasn't trying to waste all the limes trying to juice the bitch. It's better if you just have like a juicer and you can just throw the limes in there and you have like real like concentrated lime juice. Like that should be busting because it's like a little bit bitter. It's like ooh. This this you really don't put like traditionally you don't put in margaritas, but we're gonna throw a dash of triple sec because it just does, it makes it taste good and it adds a little bit more sweetness to the margarita. I don't like my margarita sweet. I'm bitter, sour, tart type of gal. You don't like it too sweet. That's why I'm only going to be doing a dash of agave. And then we have some tequila. Now everybody want to talk about, oh, Casamigos this, 18, whatever Kendall got, the 818 joint, 808s, whatever she got going on. The Casamigos, the 1800, I don't care if the shit cheap and it's 100% cheap and 100% agave. Then other than that, the name brand really don't matter to me. And alcohol is nasty. Let me preface this. Alcohol is nasty with like, it's just nasty. It's just nasty, period. I know people actually be getting like addicted to this shit. Like you get addicted to the feeling, but for taste, it's giving, oh, like I'll drink juice all day if it really came down to it. All right, let's get into it. So first we're gonna I'm gonna put quite a few shots up in this, okay? I'm only gonna put like 3. Alrighty. I don't even know. You see a bitch was drinking, huh? Expose myself. I don't even know if I got 3 shots in this hole. Hold up. Damn. You see? On empty, baby. On empty. Okay. So that's 3 shots. That's about what I put in there. I usually eyeball it, but you know, you gotta get technical for the people because this is a how-to. You gotta be a little bit technical. So I'm gonna do half a shot of triple sec. Ooh, that's a little bit more, but that's alright. And it does taste good in it. Like it doesn't mess up the margarita. And then let me get all that. Let me get all the last few drops, you know. And then we're gonna do a squirt of agave. I have mahadva. But doesn't really matter. Like you could use simple syrup, honestly, but agave is way better. Now this is my supplement. I usually don't use like bottled lime juice. Like I like squeezing limes or juicing limes, but we're gonna top her off with just a little bit of this. I'm gonna do like 2, ooh, nice, ooh, 2 juicy squirts of the lime juice. Nothing like crazy, like this is just a supplement, baby. And then we're gonna put in the lime juice. Like I be juicing these hoes, okay? It's not a game. I get all the juice. Like no juice left behind. And these smell good. See that? That joint need to be flat like a cap. Shoot, look like a little hat. Ah. Megan, put me on a verse, let me stop. I'm fucking dead. I probably won't get no damn no money from this joint. Not that that's the goal, but you know, it's a little AdSense, you know, AdSense, yeah, I'm making money from Google AdSense. I'm JK. But I low-key like making videos. I just am really bad at consistency. But it makes me feel really happy making like other people like smile and laugh and shit like that. So you saw what I did. I did like the two on top of each other once they flat as a cat, because, or cap or whatever I said, just because it gets more juice out of it and it just be hitting. It's almost like you can sometimes get the that's just buzzing. And then we're gonna put a little bit of this. Ooh, that wasn't supposed to happen, but that's right. And we're gonna shake it up. We're gonna shake it up like for a good, I like to do like 10 seconds just to get it nice and shake. And then the ice does water it down just a little bit to like balance it out, because I don't know about y'all, but I like a strong drink, but if the shit's intolerable, it's a giving slow. Now this was kind of bigger than I was anticipating. We're gonna say it was the water. Okay, we're gonna say it was the water, but this was a huge ass margarita. Now let's taste. Ooh, that buzz! That buzz! I wish you could taste this. Make sure you get all the drops. I was never giving up a drop. At the club, never giving up the drop. We licking the shot. But no, dead ass, because they be charging you out the hoo-ha for some shots and a drink. It'd be like 14, 13. Either way, that's why I like to drink at home. Like, I'm a heavy pre-gamer, okay? Like, all the shots. I'm doing like 5, 6 shots before we even leave the door. I'm sorry. I don't care. My mom probably like, damn. I don't play. So when I go to the club, I'm just enough like, that if I get like 3 shots, it's a wrap. Or if I get 3 drinks, it's a wrap. Like, I don't need no more. There's been too many times we go to the club and you didn't pregame enough. You like, damn, like this watered down shit ain't hitting. You got that little ass tiny ass cup. It's just ice after 2 sips. Like, no. So there you have it. Margarita. Oh, let me put it in front so y'all can see it. Yeah, it looked pretty good. It tastes pretty good too. So there's margarita, how to make a margarita. I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. Give this a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like margaritas, if you hate them, like what's your favorite drink. And yeah. Cheers. Okay.